So we needed an opener, outdoor mated, to move a pedestrian gate that weighs in excess of 300 pounds. And TORXUN had the only one that we could find that was reliable and could do the job. So we went with TORXUN. It works great. Customers love it. No issues. Perfect.
Hey, I'm Jeff with Arktos. I just installed the M10 and it was very easy to install. I haven't had any issues with mounting it, having it fit. The instruction manuals are easy to follow. There was no problems getting a hold of tech support. Haven't had any issues, and it was actually pretty easy to install for the first time ever using this model.